Hi, so let's see the battery type M5Y1K for Dell Inspiron 5558. So we have to unbox the new one. So it's ordered in Amazon. The price is around 2400 rupees only. So we have to check it, so whether it's suitable for our laptop. So I'm unboxing. Yeah, it's packed nicely. Okay, fine. Let's see. It's tightly packed. Okay. Yeah, this is our battery we ordered. Let's see. So package is like this. So let's check the battery is suitable for our case. Yeah, of course. Yeah, both are in similar in size. And here is also they mentioned. Yeah, M5Y1K 14.6 voltage, around 2700 wattage. Just to check it. Okay, fine. So let's check our laptop. It's suitable, fine or not. Fine. I already replaced the old one, which is not functioning. Yeah, it's fitted well. It's good. So let's start. What is happening? Okay. வருதா? அப்போ லைட் வரல பாரு இதில்.
Battery percentage.
Okay, it's already 26%. So
Switch on பண்ணுங்க, power
okay,
switch.
so we just switch on the power.
Charging.
Yeah. Yeah, it's charging.